This lesson will address the inventions that simulated an animated sequence prior to film. The very first recognized precursor to animation was called the magic lantern. Invented in the 1650s, this device was one of the first image projectors. The magic lantern is a box-shaped device that would have a light source placed inside of it to project images portrayed on sheets of glass that covered the lens of the box. Much later, in 1824, the thaumatrope was invented. This became a widely popular toy that can still be seen today at kids' birthday parties and other events. The thaumatrope is a small, typically circular object tied at two ends with a twisted string. When pressure is applied by pulling the ends of the string, the circular object in the middle spins to show images on both sides of the object in rapid succession, thus creating the illusion of movement or animation. 10 years later, in 1824, the zoetrope was invented. This is quite an interesting contraption. The zoetrope is a cylindrical object that is closed on one end and elevated by a stick. Some versions look like a push pop. Images line the inside of the cylinder. When spun, the viewer is to focus on a spot that had an image. In this spot, it will look as if the drawing that had existed there previously is moving in a repeated pattern caused by the other images. The year of 1877 birthed the new year of innovation in animation. In this year, Charles-Émile Reynaud invented the praxinoscope. This device acts in a similar way to the zoetrope, except the viewer is to look at a mirror in the center of the cylinder instead of the edges. Later, Reynaud also tampered with one of the earliest animations, named Theatre Optique. This paved the path for new animators, as we will see in Lesson 2.